The latest news from the financial markets around the globe presented by FX, a multi-award-winning Forex broker.
Nvidia stock rose 2.1% on Thursday to close at $187, driven by strong investor optimism around AI demand and broader semiconductor sector momentum. The French stock market index slipped 0.2% on Thursday, as renewed weakness in luxury and defensives offset selective strength in banks and utilities. U.S. natural gas futures dropped below $3.10, the weakest level in 3 months, after storage data showed a much smaller withdrawal than expected, signaling looser supply-demand conditions. The Canadian dollar softened toward 1.39 per US dollar, as renewed US dollar support and weaker oil prices offset still supportive domestic fundamentals. Bitcoin fell 1.4% to around $95,300 this Friday, as traders took profits after its recent rally and cautious sentiment grew ahead of U.S. economic data. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 2:15 p.m., the industrial production in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 0.2% in November. At 3 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Housing Market Index of January, following 39 in December. Monday's major economic events. At 10 a.m., the Euro area to release the Consumer Price Index for December, following 129.3 in November. At 1:30 p.m., Canada will release figures for the annual inflation rate of December, following 2.2% in November.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup presented by FX. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.